Just got me a new body in. It's the original Traxxas Millennium VXL body. Looking nice with those X01s on there. Got a couple of upgraded parts coming in that I just ordered up. Let you see how I'm looking so far. Try to do a little bit of customizing myself. You know, in a minute, I'm gonna put that Mamba Monster on there. My bad. You know, so I can try to do that 100-mile-per-hour. Right now, I got the Castle. What's that? 5700 kV. Runs nice. It's cool. But I need a little bit more. Put some more weight in the front. Put that Mamba Max on there. I mean that Mamba Monster. My bad.